Good day, everyone. No matter where you're tuning in from, whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of trading green, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Helen, your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just a presentation, it's a real conversation. A dream for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking funded trading firm in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standard of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. And first up, our couple, always inside Annie. Welcome, Annie.
Yeah, thank you so much, Helen. Hello, everyone, and thank you for choosing. I'm genuinely excited for this section because there's so much we're going to uncover, not just strategy or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trades, it's build trades step by step from starting to scaling to earning.
And next to her is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading, strategy, research, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Ralph.
Thank you, Helen. Hello, everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we are unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system. Packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you ever had questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly, whether you're completely new or already a funny trader with us, today's live stream will give you the full picture, not just the highlight reel. We are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our programs are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional broker or broker firm. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you're signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure to not only succeed but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funded project, not as a broker. That difference matters. Broker profit from volume or client losses. WeMasterTrade profit only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shapes our trading packages as well. Today, we'll walk you through each package, who it's designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you have ever looked at our packages and thought which one fit my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison. Pricing, account size, mark drawdown, consistency rules, and payout timelines. Reading number on the website is one thing, understanding the tension behind the number is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we will dive deep into the rule, especially the daily loss limit, how it's calculated, why floating profit and loss matters, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. We will also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I won't just explain rules, I will share real experience from my early funded trading days, mistakes I made, adjustments I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we will go through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we will talk about the scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there are structured pathways to grow into higher capital tiers with consistent performance. You don't just get payout, you actually climb toward becoming a six-figure funded traders.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes us different from every typical prop firm out there. When you trade on a funded account, follow the rules, and generate profit, we share that profit with you. And not just that small cut, up to 90%. But there's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is the payout cycle, the threshold, the timeline works, and we are breaking all of that down today so that you can know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
And now, you are tuning today isn't just some of your mentor, educator, community leader, or simply you have a strong network. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commission are calculated, how a referral are tracked, and more importantly, what you need to qualify for payout. That includes a full explanation of the two referral and the minimum funding requirements. No confusion, no surprise.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome. But we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you are not just earning commissions, you are building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So as you can already tell, this is not your usual live survey level live stream. Today we will go in deep into everything: trading packages, trading rules, promo, scale up power, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities, all with one goal: helping you make a smarter, more informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have questions, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderator are here. We are watching and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we'll leave timestamps, summaries, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarifications. They are one of the most dedicated teams I have worked with. They really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say that WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to build real traders, a commitment to the fairness, a commitment to giving people all around the world a structured, scalable path to turning trading into a profession, not a gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you're in exactly the right place. Let's take this journey together. And alright trader, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rules, promo, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Before you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are, what we believe in, and isn't just helpful, is essential. And so this segment is about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what value hold this entire platform together, and how the value transform into real tool, real opportunity, real outcome for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, we have two people who really live and breathe the mission every single day, Annie and Brad. Annie, let's kick it off from the beginning.
So thank Helen. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most broker or prop firm that grew out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give capable traders access to real capital regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent shouldn't be limited by circumstance, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. And also, we are founded in 2022 as part of the WeMasterTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeMasterTrade made its name through investor network, copy trading technology, and signal. But WeMasterTrade, it was created with a sharper and more focused vision, is to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them, so they can earn professionally without risking their own savings.
There's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan. It's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spread, from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our models only works when traders are profitable, and that's why everything we build, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structure and pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important: skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principle from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structures, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we have invested heavily into WeMasterTrade Academy and a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the academy is secretly something special. You have a training that covers everything from trading psychology to recalibration to advanced multi-asset strategy. But the best part is, this is not just theory. It's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the academy, you can apply directly to your funding account the very same day. And to make sure that everything will build my global education standard, WeMasterTrade proud to be ISO certified, a recognition given to institutions that deliver high quality, structured, and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
And yes, now that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It shows that we invested in developing traders, not in collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space. Why are the prop firms rise fast and vanish even faster? WeMasterTrade has built real structure, stability, compliance, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We're not here for a quick wave, we're here to help build careers that last.
And that commitment shown in the story we hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Canada, Philippines, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but help them to trade with confidence and purpose. Some passed challenges after a year of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they will never experience before. We have watched students turn into full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after long career breaks, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market, we maintain constantly updated blog sessions, weekly insights, psychology breakdown, market reaction, platform updates. We believe trading is like craft, and we make sure our community never stops sharpening either. And let's talk about culture for a moment. What set WeMasterTrade apart isn't just a failure, it's a mindset we cultivate. Integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you're chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, we will notice one thing. We actually listen, which is a trader life partner, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. In most platforms, the trader is just another customer. But like WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels the business, your feedback shapes the platform, and your consistency determines how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare, and is something we generally value.
So if you ever questions whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go read the testimonial, look at the funding accounts, talk to people who have been through the system. The stories are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
To summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than a platform. We're a capital allocator, a talent asset relator, and an education for trading institution. We're here to challenge the status in trading asset, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real scalable income opportunity for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. The biggest than a raw firm. It's a trading movement, and if you're ready to be a part of it, today LiveStream will build a full roadmap to get started. And thank you, Rob and Annie, for that deep and honest walkthrough. And coming up next, we will take the foundation and connect it directly to what we offer. Our actual account packages, that means a full breakdown of all the different account options as WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they design for, and what kind of result you can realistically expect from it. And now we have explored who WeMasterTrade is and the principle we stand for. It's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's session, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins, choosing a structure that's aligned with your goal, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we are not just talking about dollar amount, we're talking about the framework for growth. Each package and WeMasterTrade represent a differently pathway, a roadmap to work building skills, scale link your capital and unlocking potential. Today, we will walk you through every package, explain what it offers, how it's structured, and more importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Helen. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all models. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders, the Challenge Package and the Instant Funding Package. Each line comes with a variety of account sizes and configuration because traders come with different strengths, risk appetites, and timelines. We make sure there's a path for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now let's talk about the instant funding package, designed for traders who are ready to skip the challenge phase and start trading with their capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have tested strategies or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structures around assembly rules that keep your account safe.
In the Instant Funding Package, you select an account size $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, or $100,000, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are straightforward: 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1/100 leverage. There's no stimulate phrases, you're already in the funding stage, and your profit share is up to 90%.
So to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression. Prove your skill, get familiar with WeMasterTrade framework, and gradually unlock higher profit share. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protection and profit sharing benefit intact.
Exactly, thought with this way, challenge package, build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. Instant funding, trade like capital immediately if you are confident in your strategies. Both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
So, and don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rules. That is our guarantee. You have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full-time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level, and comfort with risk.
So whatever set you are, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there are a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge package versus instant funding, so you can clearly see account size, risk rule, timeline, and profit opportunities.
First of all, who are the mid and high tier challenges best for? The 25,000 to 100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you have passed all the prop challenges or have a strong, verified trading history, this is a natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with one-time fee. For example, just $50 for the 10,000 account challenge. Here's the good part: the fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you're eligible for 30% reset discount. You can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through a challenge at all and want the real capital from day one, earning purely beyond reserve? That's where our instant funding package come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stand out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stages, just live trading, fully backed by a structured, fair and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preference, and goals. Today, we'll go through three main instant funding packages: 5-10-10, 5-10-0, and Customize. We'll compare the details, but most importantly, we'll help you figure out which package is right for you.
So let me set this in order. Instant funding package give you the live trading asset from day one. That means no challenge phase, no evaluation. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limit, up to 90% profit share, scale up plan up to 1 million, support for EAs, swing trades, capping, and even NFT strategy. Now let's go packet by packet. Let's shift it to the 5-10-10 package. Maximum capital up to the 200,000. Now you get 5% day lot and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries per setup. Imagine you are in a volatile market with a fast swing. The 5-10-10 rule let you navigate larger moves without hitting daily limits prematurely. It's a game changer for professional side trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you will get a full flexibility, scalping, EAs, new tradings, win trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position sizing, risk management, and market timing.
This package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile forex pair. If you already have a tested intraday strategies and want a little extra breathing room for risk, this is the package for you. It gives you flexibility without sacrificing structure.
And it's also great for traders who thrive with clear targets. That 10% profit goal acts like a motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restrictive.
So to sum up, a 5-10-10 for high tolerant intraday or ambitious trader. Now this one personal favorite for traders who love trading on their term. The 5-10-0 package. You will get a 5% daily limit, 10% overload, but 0 profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade friendly, and let results come naturally.
For traders who thrive on position over pace, this is the pure freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and growing your own account without any arbitrary pressure. No targets, just trading, clean control, and strategic.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market snipers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, each with careful planning, this arrangement actually rewards patience rather than punishing it. It's for aggressive traders, risk takers, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limit.
And last but not least, the customer part. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you do follow rules, we fund your strategy.
Now, you can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to $400,000. The largest funding option we offer is designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
This premium on asset trading, you can use EAs, new strategies, weekend holding, HFT, everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. Now, who is it for? Top-tier professional asset fund traders, high-volume traders, signal provider, anyone who wants a fully tailored trading setup. This package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say if you have tried other models and nothing fits, the customized package lets you build your own roadmap. That level of freedom is rare in this trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around quality, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameter, competitive commissions, full package asset, and genie profit potential. No official slump limit and payout. They can start at early the very next day.
And here's the best part, no matter your trading style, scalping, swing, algo, or manual, there's an account that matches you. The key is to choose the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compounds naturally.
And if you are ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flashiest promise.
Alright trader, you have seen the packages, now it's time to tackle the rule that can make or break your account, the daily lock limit. Stay tuned, this one separate from the panic. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that's the real win. And the number one reason account gets shut down, wanting daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until they close their account mid-trade on a Tuesday afternoon. Classic. But here's the silver lining. Once you really grasp it, the rules become one of your best allies in risk management. Today, we will break it down step by step with real examples.
So what is it? Dead loss limits, also called maximum daily loss, set a haircut for losses in a single trading day, include both close and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shut down automatically.
And here's the nuance, is always calculate from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That's more details that catches so many traders off guard. Think of this as a safety leash. It's not there to punish you, it's here to keep you in the game.
Let's get practical. Day 5, your balance is 1,500, but equity and 107,000 thanks to some floating profit.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculated from $107,000, the higher number.
4% of 107,000 equal around 4,000. Your equity cannot drop below 102,000 that day, so it's out of liquidation.
And here the kicker, this is real time. The system doesn't wait, dip below for even a second and boom, account close.
Now flip it. Yeah, day 7, balance is $100,000, equity is $99,000 because some trades are in loss. Since balance is higher, 4% daily loss equals $4,000, your equity must stay above $96,000 all day.
Drop to 95,999 after liquidation trigger. No margin call, no warning, just done.
Now what happens if you break it? The system executes a market orders to close everything. On trade liquidated, account disabled, you cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it's executed at live market prices, slippage can make the final profit and losses worse than expected. That 3,900 loss you planned could turn into 4,200 in seconds.
That's why we always say, don't dance on the air. Respect the limit, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Now, how to stay inside the daily loss box? Let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the pro mindset kicks in.
Number 1, know your buffer. Don't plan trades that push you right into the edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tip 2, focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you are already at risk of violation.
Tip 3, use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provide live risk dashboard. Check your loss data frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip 4, pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of London sessions, stop, reflect, don't try to revenge, trade back into the green.
Tip number 5, trade smaller during news event. Trading gold during NAB at full size. That's a fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your loss, drive the pause volatility, and move safely.
Now let's talk about the trap. What mistake do traders make more often with daily loss?
Number 1, over leveraging, opening trades at 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly, then when it goes red fast, it's already too late.
Exactly. Number 2, holding overnight without checking exposures. 3 trades left overnight, waking up to a CTP gap. Daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Assuming only closed trades matter? No. Equity includes floating profit and losses too. That's your real score.
And I always tell new traders that the daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly.
And it forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that you'll last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point, this isn't about just about rule. It's about trust. WeMasterTrade fund you because we trust you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is protecting that trust for both sides. And now we will explore the next rule after having a short break.
Trade. We copy trade. copy trade. We copy trade.
Life rule are your day-to-day seatbelt. But now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum life rules, your cow airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's for entire life of your cow.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe, but a few days of small losses add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your account as unsalvageable. Immediate closures and no exception.
Now let's break it down simply. If the total loss your account can subsume across all trades at any moment. If your equity including open trades dip below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which reset each day, this cumulative. Lose 2% of one day, 3% the next, cross the line, and that's it.
So the actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6 or 10% of your starting balance is always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profit.
Suppose your account starts at $50,000 with a 6% market lot, that's $3,000.
Your equity can never fall below $47,000. Doesn't matter if you have made $1,000 yesterday. It's cumulative from the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses count. Closed 2,000, floating 1,200, equity is 46,800. Below 47,000, account closed.
Not about net gain or lot across trades. It's about real-time equity versus the stop-loss floor.
Say your account grow to $51,000, profit feel great, right?
Yes, but the max lot is still based on the original 50,000. 6% limits equal 47,000. Profit only gives an extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop to 4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
Now, what happens when you break it? Drop below the max loss even by a few dollars and auto liquidation triggers instantly on trades close at market price.
And like daily loss, slippage may make your final numbers slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And more importantly, one breach account is permanently disabled. No reset, no rollback. Want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max lock box and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tip 1. Know your floor, always. Track your total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard alert. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Tip 2. Treat profit as ammo, not ammo. Floating gains didn't mean going wide. Reduce loss sizes when you ahead. Protect your capital. Don't gamble it.
Tip 3. Manage floating losses like a horse. Even one roll trade can turn your cushion into catastrophe. Stay alert, stay tipsily.
Tip 4. Step back when danger looms. If you are 4% down on a 6% master loss, don't chase it, walk away, take a breath, analyze, patience, safe accounts.
And last tip, tip number 5, never fight volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, gold, Nasdaq, Euro pairs. They buy fast, respect the market, respect the limit.
Now let's get real. Here are the moves that the short count faster than you can blink.
Number 1. Over-leveraging. Opening position at 5 to 7% of your account thinking it's safe. One wrong move and you're toast.
Number 2, ignoring floating trades. Close 3 losers means you are safe. One more red trade floating 1,500 to 2,000. Boom, the account crossed the line.
Number 3. Revenge trading. Lose yesterday, come back swinging today to recover. That's how a 6% max lot disappeared in 2 sections.
Number 4. Sleeping during news. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your buffer because you can blink.
Yes, listen up, the max loss isn't an enemy. It's your protective shield, your airbag. Every top traders I know treat it like a non-negotiable. Cross it and the lesson hit hard, account's gone.
Exactly, think of it as a reality check. If you are constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and it count last year, not days.
So here's the mantra trader. Respect the market law, trade inside the wall, protect your equity, roll consistently. Just like your best friend and it will keep your account alive while more traders sell restructure around you.
And we WeMasterTrade, we're not just handling our capital, we're building structures, discipline, and professionalism. The max loss rule, that's the line that separates gambler from true traders.
Now, so let's lock it in trader. Here's what you need to remember about market lot. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's correlated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It covers flow and floating losses. Every penny matters. And here the kicker, when it's breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive when most traders fail.
Alright trader, we have covered the daily lot limit and the maximum lot rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about a result, not just rate. As WeMasterTrade, we want to see trader grow, scale, and earn substantially. That's where profit consistency comes in.
This will separate lucky spike from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profit over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawal, and scale. Funding and can withdraw a full profit. This rule is probably why.
So what is profit consistency? Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profit come in day to day. One huge spike and several flat or losing day, high ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% profit consistency, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit.
Important, if your profit consistency is 20%, your profit share drops to 10%. That's right. Keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earnings. Now, how is calculated? Formula is simple. Best day trading days profit divided by total profits multiplied by 100 and the profit consistency percentage.
And yes, the best day equals single day highest close profit. The total profit is the sum of all close profit minus close losses. Floating losses don't count until close.
So if your bad day is 200 and your total profit is 500, your PC will be 200 divided 500 multiply 100 equal to 40%. That's too high and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
Now here are 5 day results. Day 1 100, day 2 200, day 3 minus 50, day 4 100 and day 5 $60.
So the total net profit equal 100 plus 200 plus 50 plus 100 and plus 60. So it's going to be $410.
The bad day 2 at the 200 PC will be 200 divided 410 multiply 100 is about 48.78%.
What is about the 30% limit? Even though profitable, profit share drops to 10% until consistency improves.
Profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable trader one will wait for profit share if gain are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 months a day to carry your account, that's risk, not skill. You need to steady wins.
Long-term balance, it means higher trust, scale up, and full profit share. That's what separates funded pros from lucky spy. Now how to improve profit consistency. Over the limits, don't panic. Focus on evening out profits over multiple days.
And practical tips, reduce loss size for a few days, take smaller controlled wins around $200 to $300 a day, and avoid massive swing. Also remember to spread gains across multiple days.
For EA user, monitor your equity curve. Both large spike profits one day may hurt profit consistency. Adjust to keep the ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
Now, here are some common mistakes. Number 1, hitting the target early and resting inflate the best day ratio.
Number 2, overtrading after a big day, trying to squeeze more, equal higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rule. Profit consistency was if we actually measure for growth and scale.
Yes, profit consistency isn't a hurdle, it's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it and even profitable account get reduced payouts.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profit is better than one lucky spike any day. Keep profit consistency below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
And at the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can't be consistent with $25,000, what happened when we give you $100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade, we fund traders, but we also study them. These rules show whether you are serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spike.
And we have seen it time and again. The trader who respect this rule, they are the one gets multiple payout, referral, and eventually scale into six-figure funding accounts.
So don't fear the rule, embrace it as feedback. Too high? That's good, it means you have made profit. Now the goal is to balance it out over multiple sections.
And remember, no manual math required, WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculates your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistics tab.
quick recap for trader. This rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your budget under 20% of total profit for mark payout. Spread your win across multiple sessions. Monitor progress using the dashboard. And so far, we have walked through the daily lot limit, tackle the maximum account loss, and explain how proficiency shape your long-term payout and growth. And now we arrive at the final and perhaps more overlooked rule of course. You know how to rotate your capital and keep your payout on track, but here the final pillar, the one that separates regular trader from pro. I'm talking about the reconciliation rule, what we like to call the discipline test. Because honestly, the market isn't your biggest threat. Your own inconsistency is.
Exactly. Traders often think the hardest part is predicting price, but really, it's staying disciplined in how much you risk per trade.
This rule doesn't care about your win streak, it monitors your risk pulse. If you want to scale at WeMasterTrade, this is non-negotiable.
So what is the reconciliation rule? Here's the simple version. You cannot risk more than 2% of your initial account balance on any single trade idea.
And that includes everything linked to that trade idea, closed trades, floating losses, fees, and swap. Nothing is excluded.
The consistency isn't just about profit and loss, it's about process. Random Bayesian sizing equal to Y. Equity swing is and it's very hard to scale.
And this rule protects both you and WeMasterTrade. It preserves capital and ensures your edge plays out over time.
Think of it as your account had big. It lost jump from 0.5 to 5 overnight. That's chaos, not trading.
A trade idea isn't just one order, it's a bundle of trades that ring the same logic.
Yes, for example, 3 buys order on XAU USD at different times equal 1 trade idea.
Now that's the same symbol, same directions, calls allow the same time. Group logically, the 2% risk cap applies to the entire bundles.
So the system doesn't look at the trade individually, it looks at logical bundles.
And yes, you can have multiple trades idea as long as each respect the 2% risk limit.
Buy gold, sell GBP, GBY, sell AUD USD, 3 separate trade ideas, each can risk up to 2%.
So what not allowed? Trades by order on gold, same direction, same offset, is considered a one trade idea.
If combined risk exceeds 2%, the account flag immediately, no exceptions.
Let's break it down. Imagine a 50,000 account. Your reconciliation limit is 2% per trade idea, so 1,000 mark per bundle.
Trade idea 1, buy gold, total risk is $900, 1.8%, perfectly under the limit.
Later you open another buy on gold, same direction, same assets, combined with the first positions. Your risk now total 1.2 thousand. That's 2.4%. Even though each trade looks small individually, the system counts them as one trade idea.
And here the crucial part, the problem share 2% breaks immediately. That means even a small miscalculation can trigger a violation.
Remember, it includes floating losses too. If the first gold trade is floating minus 500 and the second is minus 700, your equity hits $46,800 over the 2% limit, violation triggered.
This is why you must think in trade idea bundles, not isolated trades. That's how pros stay compliant without cutting back on strategy.
Trade ideas count combined risk stay under 2% per idea and trade both floating and floating losses. Matter date and reconciliation become your ally.
Here are the pro tips to stay inside the rules. First of all, count trade ideas, not trades.
Number 2, keep position sizing stable, no sudden jumps.
3. You trade dashboard line retracing your background.
Number 4, plan trades ahead, don't open multiple positions impulsively.
Number 5, watch news event. Volatility can push you over 2% fast.
Remember, discipline equals freedom. This isn't a punishment, it's a framework for long-term success. And trade inside the box and you can scale safely.
Respect the risk consistency rule and you will outlast 90% of traders.
combine risk discipline, profit consistency, daily market loss management. The chief factor separating amateur from professional trader as WeMasterTrade.
This isn't just a checkbox of dashboard, it's how the pro plays the game. Hedge funds live by this, a big bank enforce it, and top-tier traders, they treat it like gospel.
Right, this isn't about micromanaging you or limiting freedom. It's about protecting your account, our capital, and the trust in the trading community. Miss this and even a small mistake can spiral fast.
Here the reality, traders who employ this rule, who understand that small decision risk is the engine behind scalable capital, they are the one we invest in. They are the traders who go from 25,000 to 1 million and beyond.
Yes, turn discipline into growth. If you want to trade like a professional, you need to know exactly how much you're risking on every trade, every single day. No guessing, no hope, clarity is key.
And if you are still opening trades just because the setup feels right, you are eyeballing lot sizes, consider this your wake-up call. Structure your trades, respect your limits, protect your capital, period.
This is a multi rule, it's a habit, a mindset, a framework for long-term success. Now this now, and the road to bigger account, higher payout, and consistent growth become clear, predictable, and sustainable. Now we have make it through all rule, daily loss, market loss, profit consistency, and reconsistency. Now it's time for the part every trader dream about scaling your account.
And yes, more capital, bigger loss, higher reward, all while trading without risking your own money.
And that's exactly what the WeMasterTrade Scale plan does. It's a clear roadmap from a 10,000 funding account all the way to 1 million, with defined milestones and real targets.
Our scale plan is performance-based. Trade well, follow rules, hit profit targets, and your capital grow. You don't pay for it, you earn it.
And yes, no gimmicks. Your growth comes with consistency, discipline, and smart trading.
And it's aggressive. Double, triple, quadruple your capital up to 1 million, depending on your starting account.
WeMasterTrade offers two scaling paths, percentage-based and amount-based.
The percentage base start at level 1 at 100% of your base account. Hit 20% profit with required profit consistency, you'll move to level 2. Capital increase 50%.
Level 3 equal 300%, level 4 600, level 5 1200, level 6 2400, and the maximum is $1 million. And for every level, you complete at least 2 payout circles to boost stability.
A small base is something for years simpler. Start at the 10,000, move to the 50,000, 30,000, 60,000, all the way to 1 million. Hit the profit target at each step.
Yes, start at $25,000. First profit target is equal $5,000. Hit it with consistencies, move to $37,500, and then $75,000, then $150,000, all the way to 1 million.
No rush, no penalty for going at your own pace. Just stay within the rules and grow.
Here what you need per level. Hit the profit targets, avoid violations, trigger market loss, daily loss, complete to several payout, maintain profit consistency when required.
Once all the boxes are ticked, your account is upgraded. Bigger capital, bigger earning, same per trade risk.
That's real leverage, more capital without taking bigger risk per trade. And most traders fail because they overtrade to force target, violating drawdown.
Others ignore consistency early on, making 80% of profit in one day, disqualifying payouts.
And planning matter. Know your next steps, scale targets, and try to reach it. Don't just trade for today or trade for level 7 and beyond.
Scaling isn't just about money. Every level brings more capital and more responsibility. Can you handle $300,000 if $10,000 threat you?
Step-by-step scaling tests your discipline, patience, and mental strength before you even reach 7 figures.
This isn't a demo hype, it's a real capital, real rule, and real growth.
Yes, consistency plus patience equals scale. From $10,000 to $1 million is possible, and WeMasterTrade traders have done it repeatedly.
One discipline, one consistent profit target at a time. That's how growth happens.
Respect the rule, trade smart, follow the structure. And at WeMasterTrade, scaling performance isn't just possible, it's reality if you play it right. And that wrap our full walkthrough from account setup, risk rule, profit consistency, rate discipline, all the way to scaling to 1 million. Whether you start at 10 or 200,000, the path is real clear and achievable. And we have a cover rule, scaling, and discipline. Now let's talk about the part everyone really care about, getting your provision out fast.
You earn it, now it's time to claim what is yours.
Exactly, this is the reward for your discipline, your consistency, and your performance. At WeMasterTrade, we don't just fund your trades, we reward results.
Here to do, as a funded trader, you keep a percentage of the profit you generate. Your provision is at 50% and grow all the way to 90% depending on your payout history.
Breakdown for instant funding accounts. First payout 50%, second payout 75%, and third payout 90%.
Yes, and for challenge package accounts, here's how it works. Phase 1, no profit share applied. Phase 2, 30% profit share, but this is paid only after your first payout on the funding account. So once your funding account reach at least 6% cumulative profit, you unlock 30% profit share from challenge phase 2, 90% profit share from your funding account, and refund from your challenge package fee.
Why not just start everyone at top tier?
Well, profit sharing is about trust and proven performance. The first payout shows you are profitable, the second proves consistency, and the third, that's when WeMasterTrade say you earn the top tier.
By then, we know your strategy, your risk management, and your payouts behavior is not partnership, it's a handout. And also, some packages have unique rules. Here's the scoop. The 5-10-10 no PC, if your account breach risk consistency, your profit share fixed at 20% hard rule.
5-10-0 packages, total profit under 6%, that means fixed 20% profit share. Regardless of payout number, trade above the threshold to earn standard tier payout.
Payouts are requested via your dashboard. Pick the amount, confirm, method, submit, done.
Unclaimed profits stay in your account, they roll over, they don't vanish.
You can request daily, not just weekly or monthly. Full control, full transparency.
Yes, it's global, secure, flexible. Bank transfer, Swift, local, PayPal, Wise, Coinbase, like crypto, deal card, Stripe. Yes, all of these are on our size. External fee may apply, like currency conversion, but we minimize cost.
Payouts are generally processed within 24 to 48 business hours. Crypto and Stripe often faster. Bank wires may vary depending on your banks.
If your payouts is flagged for contingency review, don't panic, it's a routine check before approval. And also, there will be some pro tips for smooth payouts. Number 1, check profit consistency before requesting, especially for first and second withdrawal.
Number 2, stick to risk rules. Mass loss violations will cancel your payout. And trade a few extra days if profits are uneven. Balance your ratio to qualify.
And pick your payment methods wisely.
Now the WeMasterTrade profit sharing system is strategic, not just generous, it's reward discipline, consistency, and long-term performance.
Your share grows at your record growth. Your capital grows as your discipline grows. The faster you learn the structure, the faster you get paid.
And that brings us full circle from signing up to get funding and to scaling and to cashing out. You know how the entire journey inside WeMasterTrade goes. Scaling, payout, discipline, performance, and profit in your pockets. And trader, if you throw the path to $1 million account, more exciting. Wait until You hear about WeMasterTrade current promotion, or desire to boost your trading journey and reward performance.
Yes, from flash sale to the account and profit boost, there are multiple ways to maximize your trading capital and reduce costs, but you also need to know the rules to claim them.
And remember, promotions amplify your trading journey. Lower entry costs, instant account and extra perks on while you focus on disciplined trading.
The first of lucky number 6 promotion. Purchase eligible funded account during promo period. You will get a lucky number assigned automatically. If your number ends with 6, you win the 25% of your package and entire special price draw. This promo is limited. You must complete your purchase during active periods.
Second, the Real Payout Reaction Challenge. Record a 5-minute video sharing your trading experience. Post online with official WeMasterTrade hashtag and submit a link. Reward will be 30% off your next package, a chance to win a funding account, and also promo apply only during the active challenge period.
Third, flash sale discount codes. Short-term, high-volume discount codes appear regularly on the promotion page. Enter during checkout to reduce the price instantly by 10%, 20% or more. Flash sales are time-sensitive, often lasting a few hours or a single day. Some costs can be stuck with other promos depending on the rules.
So the fifth, the professional boost apply to funding account with a high profit consistency ratio. If your profit consistency drop below the threshold, your profit share increase temporarily. Have trader gets higher payouts when they demonstrate consistent performance. Condition: you must remain compliant with day loss, month loss, and risk rule.
And finally, share and win. Share your funny trading experience on social media or WeMasterTrade forums. Submit screenshot or proof or share to WeMasterTrade. The reward is discounts, the funds or exclusive perks. Each submission is reviewed for eligibility on approved shares accounts. And also, how to maximize promo benefits. Step 1. Check the promotion page before purchasing. Any active promo or flash sale could help you save your money.
Step 2. Follow the rules. Complete payouts, stay compliant with risk and profit consistency, and activate promos correctly.
Step 3. Combine pros most smartly. Sometimes discount stress, sometimes only one apply. Read the condition.
Step 4. Act fast. Flash sale codes and BOGO offer are time limited, so don't wait.
So, step 5, keep record of all submission for sale and win, save, win-win, and reaction challenge. One verify entire area. So, here what you to do right now. Visit the promotion page and see what's live. Grab any flash sale code immediately. Submit share, spin, and react challenge to claim your reward. Always check the eligibility rules before claiming.
Remember, promos are not just discounts, they are boosts for your trading journey, giving you extra capital, account, or higher profit potential, all while staying disciplined.
And never forget, the best traders combine promo benefits with risk management, profit consistency, and scaling. That's the real secret to long-term success.
And that's the full WeMasterTrade promo segment. Stay alert, grab your codes, participate in challenges, and use every opportunity to level up your trading game, all while keeping your rules, risk, and consistency in check. And alright, trader, let's take a moment to recap everything we have covered today.
We start with account rules, daily loss, maximum account loss, and all important profit consistency. Understanding these keeping your capital safe and your payouts predictable.
Then we explore the risk consistency rule, the discipline test. This is the backbone of scalable trading. Small, consistent risk per trade is what separates professional traders from amateur.
And next, we walk through the scale plan from the 10,000 to 1 million. Step by step, performance-based growth, clear milestone, and reward for consistency, discipline, and risk management.
So we also cover the profit sharing model, how your payouts increase over time from 50 to 90%, and how challenge accounts, instant funding, and special packages all have specific rules to maximize your share.
And finally, we delve into the promotions, lucky number, flash sale, BOGO, profit sharing boost, trade spin win, and share win, all designed to give you more capital, discount, and opportunity while trading responsibly.
So that's the full picture: rules, scalping, payouts, and promotions. Everything you need to trade, grow, and get reward professionally. And we will now move to the final segment: economic calendar.
Yes, welcome back to our daily market briefing. I'm Annie, and as always, we're here to break down the macroeconomic puzzle to help you trade with positions.
And hi, I'm Ralph. If you have looked at the economic calendar today, Thursday, June 25th, you already know we are looking at a highly critical 24 hours. We have got contrasting data from Asia Pacific and a massive volatile US section ahead.
That's right. If you're trading Aussies dollars, the euro, or any USD major pairs, including gold, you need to sit tight and pay close attention to today's breakdowns.
Let's kick off with the Asian sections. Early this morning at 8:30 a.m., Australia dropped some heavy-hitting labor data. The headline employment change came in at a staggering 40.3 thousand. This completely outpaced the market forecast of 31.2 thousand.
Exactly, a very strong headline number on this surface. But if we dig deeper into the details, the unemployment rate actually held steady at 4.4%, which matched the forecast but slightly lower than the previous 4.5%. What is your take on this divergence, Raf?
Well, it showed us why the Australian economy is still aggressively creating jobs. The labor supply is expanding just as fast to absorb them. Plus, we saw household spending month over month bounce back into positive territory at 1.3%, recovering from a negative 1.1% previously.
So, all in all, a fundamentally hawkish turn for the Reserve Bank of Australia, the RBA. This gives the RBA more room to keep interest rates higher for longer, providing some solid structural support for the AUD in the short term.
Definitely, later at 10:50 a.m., we also saw the NAB quarterly business confidence print as minus 19. While it's still in negative territory, it's a minor recovery from the previous negative 5. So, the Aussie spoon definitely has some fuel to work with this morning.
Yes, let's get to section 2, European sections preview. So moving into the European sections, things are a bit quieter, but still worth noticing. At 1 p.m., Germany released its GfK consumer climate incoming in at minus 29.2 is a tiny improvement from the previous negative 29.7, but it clearly reminds us that consumer sentiment in the Eurozone largest economy remains heavily dispersed.
Alright, Euro traders shouldn't expect a massive rally from that. However, keep an eye on the ECB economic bulletin dropping at 3 p.m. and the UK CPI realized sale at 5 p.m. The CBA forecast is sitting at negative 41. If the actual number reveals a deeper contraction, expect from some sharp downside pressures on GBP pairs right before the New York Open.
Yes, now let's talk about the main event, the absolute storm waiting for us at 7:30 p.m. This is where things get wild. We have a massive cluster of high impact and medium impact US data dropping at the exact same second.
This is a classic data dump scenario. The most important one on the list is the core BCE price index month over month. As we know, the BCE is the Federal Reserve absolute favorite inflation gauge. The forecast is looking at a modest 0.3%. If this comes out hotter, say 0.4% or higher, it will trigger instant panic that inflation is sticky, sending the US dollar skyrocketing and crushing gold.
And at the exact same time, we have the final GDP quarter over quarter projected at 1.6% alongside final GDP price index at 3.5%. This gives us an incomplete look at both economic growth and price presumes stimulatedly.
But wait, there's more. Don't forget the weekly unemployment claim forecasted at 225K. If claims by higher than expected, it shows a weakening US labor market, which could counteract a hot PCE number.
On top of that, we have core durable goods order at 0.5% and personal spending at 0.6%. It is literally a data overload when you have 7 to 8 major indicators released at 7:30 p.m. Market algorithm go into overdrive.
So what is the game plan for tonight with this level of concentrated volatility? Trying to chase the initial candle at 7:30 p.m. is incredibly risky. Spread will widen and slippage can wipe out accounts.
Our best advice, let the initial reaction plays out for the first 50 to 30 minutes. Look for established support and resistance level on one the market digests whether the overall package or the US data is hawkish or dovish.
Exactly. Watch gold, euro, USD, and the Nasdaq carefully. Tighten your stop losses, reduce your lot sizes if you must trade the news, or simply stay on the sidelines until the dust settles.
Yes, solid advice. That's wrap. Solid advice that wrap up our deep dive into today's economic calendar. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more daily market breakdowns, and let us know the comments. How do you plan your trades and the PCE tonight?
Best of luck out there, traders. Manage your risk, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.
Thank you so much to our amazing viewer who joined our live stream today. We truly appreciate your time and support. We hope this live session had helped you gain a better understanding of our company, our trading rule, and exciting promotion we're currently offering. Stay tuned for the next live stream, and happy trading!
Trade. Copy Trade.